Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and today I will be working with the company LollyHair. As the title says, we will be doing a glueless wig install. Jumping right in, I'm showing you guys all my packaging, all my little nooks and goodies that I got. They sent me a wig holder, like a wig holder hanger, kind of cute, a HD wig cap, and then of course my edge control brush, handy dandy edge control brush. Can't go wrong with that. This is the packaging, and then this is the unit. This is their glueless Wear&Go water wave wig. It is a 5x5 lace closure wig. It is in 26 inches, and also in 180 density. Now, this did come with adjustable straps and an elastic band, and also 3 combs. The lace comes pre-plucked, lace comes pre-cut. You don't have to do anything but bleach the knots and put it on. First thing I'm gonna do is mold my hair back. Those of you who've been following me know that I do not wear braids. I always just slick my hair back, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to use a boar bristle brush and brush everything back like so. Just get it nice and neat and nice and flat. Once that's done, I'm going to take my blow dryer and just make sure everything is nice and tacked. Make sure everything is dry before we put our wig on. You can do a wig cap. You don't have to. I really didn't do one for this wig install just because it was glueless and it really wasn't needed. You guys see what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to blow dry on low heat like I said before. You don't have to like get it super hard. You don't need like a mold. You just want your hair to be slicked back and pulled away, no stray hairs laying out. So once I get done with that, I'm going to adjust my straps on the back of my wig, my adjustable straps, tuck my comb in, and then adjust my lace. You see how easy and quick that was to put on? Literally 1, 2, 3, boom, we're done. Now I'm just adjusting the lace, looking at the hair. It's given. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of makeup. This is the Kiss Foundation in Honey Beige, and I'm just going to tap that into the front of the lace. You don't have to do a whole bunch. I didn't put any down the part. I'm going to use a concealer for that, but up close, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. Like I said, the lace is pre-cut, and the hairline is pre-plucked. All I had to do was cut the lace. All I had to do was put makeup on it. Excuse me. Now I'm going to take a wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm just going to smooth everything out. You want your lace to be nice and soft. You don't want no lumps, no humps, no bumps. You want it to look flat. You want it to look like it's coming out your head. So hot comb that thing as many times as you need to, as long as you need to, until you get it as flat as possible. Once it's done and nice and flat, I'm going to go in with my spray bottle and my brush. We're going to define this curl. It is a water wave texture, so it's not going to be super curly, but you just want to get your spray bottle and a paddle brush to define the curl pattern. Get it all nice, that wet and wavy bohemian look. And once we're done with that, I'm going to come back with the finished look, and we're going to wrap this video up. When brushing your hair, any curly hair, wavy texture hair, you want to start from the bottom and then work your way up to the top, just to refrain from pulling the hair, making the hair come out, or just having the shedding intensify. Always start from the bottom and then work your way up to the top until you get to the roots. I'm going to do that on one side and then come back and do the other side. Once everything is completely defined, I'm just going to scrunch the hair up, kinda give it back its wave pattern, because when I brushed it out, I kind of like made it a little straight. I think how wet it was and the texture being a water wave texture. So you just want to give it a nice little scrunch and let it air dry. I didn't put any product in this hair. I like to see it air dry in its natural texture. This is what it looks like from behind, as you guys can see. Super full. Like I said, this is 26 inches. I am 5 foot even, and it came past my little booty. Now I'm going to go with my LA Pro Girl concealer, and I'm going to define my part. This is in the shade medium beige. I'm just going to pop that right down the middle. You want it to look like scalp. You don't want that like yellow undertone from the knots being bleached. You want it to look like your hair. So I take a medium beige because that's a shade lighter than what I am. You don't want to use the same color as you did for the front of the hairline, because your scalp is naturally lighter than the rest of your hair, okay? Once I did that, that is literally it. That was a quick 7-step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, 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 boom. Easy step to do. Super cute. Like I said, wear and go, and it's definitely a wear and go. This is the texture with no product in it. It is halfway dry, and I didn't do anything but add water. The back is super, super full, as you guys can see, root to tip. The texture is definitely given. This is perfect vacation hair. Being that springtime is right around the corner, ladies, you need to jump on this. If you are going to the beach, or you're going to be in Miami, you're taking a vacation, and you do not want to have to worry about glue and anything having to be molded down, like, this is literally going to be your go-to, your wear and go. You can literally take it on, take it off, and not worry too much about it, okay? And it's given super flat. I love the body of the hair. As you guys can see, I pulled it down the middle on each side, and it's still full. You don't see any tracks or anything like that. I didn't get no shedding, surprisingly. I'm always like getting a little bit of shedding, and I didn't get any this time. And then just to show you guys, I'm running my rat tail comb up under my lace to show y'all that this is 100% glueless, wear and go. I did not put anything on the lace at all but makeup. But overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. This is LollyHair. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let your girl know what you think. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Love you.